This fantastic home in Fox Grove, just north of Loop 1604, is ready to be yours. Welcome to 4527 Berry Grove. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and is 2,753 square feet. This is a great family home with plenty of space for the whole family. The downstairs living room is open with easy access to the kitchen and dining room. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, double ovens, and a wonderful open floor plan. The upstairs living room is huge and is the perfect size for a game room for the kiddos. The master bedroom is very spacious and it has a sitting room that is adjacent to the master bathroom. The 2 secondary bedrooms in this home are the perfect size for the children or for entertaining overnight guests. The upstairs bathroom also has plenty of space to move around and feel comfortable. The backyard is definitely large enough for the kids and pets to run around, and it also features a covered patio. For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.